Hummingbirds are small, brightly colored birds that are native to the Americas. There are more than 350 species of hummingbirds in the family Trochilidae. Their closest avian relatives are swifts. Of all hummingbird species, only a handful venture north into the United States. The vast majority of them can be found in Central and South America. These birds are known for their ability to fly at high speeds and to hover in mid-air, making them a popular subject of study among ornithologists and biologists. Today, we will explore the unique physical and behavioral characteristics of hummingbirds, as well as the ecological role they play in their native habitats. One of the most notable characteristics of hummingbirds is their size. These birds are among the smallest in the world, with some species weighing less than a penny. A smaller size allows hummingbirds to be more agile and maneuverable in the air. Smaller bodies also require less energy to maintain, which is important for hummingbirds because they have a high metabolism and need to consume a large amount of food, mostly nectar, to stay alive. Despite their tiny size, hummingbirds are able to fly at incredible speeds, reaching up to 60 miles per hour. This ability is made possible by their highly specialized anatomy, which includes wings that can beat up to 80 times per second, and powerful chest muscles that enable them to hover in the air. Hovering is a very difficult maneuver for most types of flying animals. Hummingbirds can only manage it because they can rotate their wings in a figure-8 pattern, allowing them to generate lift on both the downstroke and the upstroke of their wing beats. Another unusual feature of hummingbird flight is their high wing beat frequency, typically around 50 beats per second, which allows them to make rapid and agile movements in the air. Adjusting the angle of the wing and tail feathers allows them to change direction quickly and make fast and precise movements. Hummingbirds can also fly upside down and even backwards, the only bird able to do so. In addition to their impressive flying abilities, hummingbirds are also known for their bright and vibrant plumage. These birds have feathers that reflect light in a way that creates a shimmering effect, making them appear to change color as they move. Feathers are made up of multiple layers of cells called melanosomes, which contain pigments that give feathers their color. These iridescent colors are produced by a phenomenon called structural coloration rather than pigments. In the case of iridescent feathers, such as those found on hummingbirds, the melanosomes are arranged in a specific way that causes light to be scattered in different directions. The feathers contain tiny structures called barbs and barbules that are covered with cells. These cells contain stacks of plate-like crystals made of a protein called keratin, which reflect light in a specific way. As the feather is moved or viewed from different angles, the way that the light reflects off of the feathers changes, causing the iridescent color to appear different. It's worth noting that not all hummingbird species have iridescent feathers. This colorful display is believed to serve as a means of attracting mates, as male hummingbirds are known to be highly territorial and will fiercely defend their mating territories. Hummingbirds are also unique in their feeding. These birds are adapted to feed on nectar from a wide variety of flowering plants, and they have long, slender beaks that are perfectly adapted to reaching into narrow flower tubes to extract the sweet liquid. In addition to nectar, hummingbirds also consume insects and spiders, which provide them with important sources of nutrients like protein. The ecological role of hummingbirds is also significant. These birds play a vital role in the pollination of many plant species, as they travel from flower to flower in search of nectar. As they feed, hummingbirds pick up and spread pollen, helping to fertilize plants and ensure their reproduction. In this way, hummingbirds contribute to the health and diversity of the ecosystems in which they live. Hummingbirds may be small, but their impact on the environments in which they live is profound. Their value as pollinators is incalculable. And, we mustn't forget, they are beautiful birds. Understanding the unique characteristics and ecological importance of hummingbirds can help us appreciate these amazing creatures and the role they play in the natural world. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss a thing. There's more fascinating content coming your way all the time. Thank you.